Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video, and today we have with us a product from Belkin. This is the first of the Belkin products we're going to review, and this is something which can be called probably a delight for the audiophiles. This is Belkin's Soundform TWS earbuds. Now these are, as the box says, a lot of things about it. We're going to tell you all the things in detail, show you the product after unboxing it. But before I do that, can I please request you to press that subscribe button and the notification icon so that we keep getting all the motivations and you keep getting all the notifications. We are also there on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. So please do follow us and there as well. And the handle is @GreatLobbyist. We're also there on the web, www.greatlobbyist.com, and we can get you all the love that you need about tech right on your smart devices. So getting straight on to business, we will start with the unboxing of this video and tell you all about it. Inside the box, we have the earbuds right out with this silicone tape right here. We're gonna get this out, and here we go, guys. And then on the side box, which can be opened from this side, we have the manual, one pair of additional ear tips, and another pair of additional ear tips, and the micro USB cable. Now, honestly, I'm starting this video and I'm already disappointed seeing the micro USB cable. I think anything less short of Type-C is very, very primitive. But let's see how the sound quality and the overall product turns out. So it claims to be having immersive and crystal clear sound. We're going to test it and let you know how it is. And of course, later in the video, Bluetooth 5.0, intuitive touch controls, and a lot of other things. So here's how they look. Now, design, brilliant. The small little things, beautiful looking, very ergonomic design, should slide right into your ears. Let's try to put these on. Here you go. I'm going to plug these right in and see how they feel. Quite snuggly fitted into my ears and straight away went into the pairing mode, as you will see, with the blue light blinking, and you have it right here. And the case itself, very small, beautiful, and has the battery indicators right in the front, and also shows you when it's in the pairing mode. And that's pretty much it. Nothing, no buttons, no other switches to check the pairing, and the Type-C Microsoft micro USB charging port. I'm so used to saying Type-C that on the earbud reviews that this is looking at a little primitive for me. But put them back in, they snap right back and go into the charging mode straight up. Great stuff. So we got three sizes of ear tips, which are there, of course, the one which are fitted in, and two additionals that we just saw. We've got simple pairing and disconnecting as like any other bud, and Bluetooth 5.0, latest Bluetooth technology, and of course intuitive touch control. So all the controls in your hand, and the battery life isn't too bad either. We've got 5 hours of non-stop playtime on each of the earbud, and then a 24 hours with the case itself. So once you have this with you, you're sorted for the day for great quality music, listening to music or watching content, or even answering phone calls as well. It's got dual microphones on the side, one here and one at the bottom. So dual microphones to ensure that the call clarity is equally good. And of course, if you're using them while working out, as they're very small and tiny, and snuggly fitting into your ears so that they don't fall when you're running around and doing your workout. They're IPX5 rated, sweat and splash resistant, so you can go by the pool and have fun with these as well. So guys, this is Belkin Soundform TWS earbuds for an amazing price and a great, decent quality build and a fascinating design in itself. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, and I'm signing off by keeping you entertained with some great music and listening with the right devices. Keep yourself safe. Peace.